Imagine a place where every turn reveals a landscape more breathtaking than the last, where the air is so fresh it feels like you're breathing in the essence of nature itself. What if I told you there's an island in Japan that's still largely untouched, a place where ancient traditions meet stunning modernity? Hokkaido isn't just another destination, it's a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. But here's the catch: this island has secrets that are as elusive as they are beautiful. Are you ready to uncover what makes Hokkaido so special? Stay with us till the end, and I promise, you'll be packing your bags before you know it. 10. The majestic Shiretoko Peninsula. Kicking off our journey in Hokkaido, we head to the Shiretoko Peninsula, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its wild, untouched nature. Located on the northeastern tip of Hokkaido, Shiretoko is one of the most remote areas in Japan, where nature reigns supreme. This peninsula is home to dense forests, rugged cliffs, and an abundance of wildlife, including brown bears, deer, and foxes. One of the highlights of Shiretoko is the Shiretoko Five Lakes, a series of small, tranquil lakes surrounded by thick forests and offering stunning reflections of the Shiretoko mountain range. A guided walk along the elevated boardwalk provides breathtaking views, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the local wildlife. For the adventurous, a boat tour along the coast reveals dramatic cliffs, waterfalls cascading into the sea, and possibly even orcas and dolphins. Shiretoko Peninsula is a place where you can truly disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature. 9. Sapporo, the heart of Hokkaido. Next, we move to Sapporo, Hokkaido's capital city and the fifth largest city in Japan. Sapporo is famous for its beer, skiing, and the annual Sapporo Snow Festival, which attracts visitors from around the world. Despite being a bustling city, Sapporo retains a laid-back charm, with wide boulevards, beautiful parks, and a thriving food scene. Start your Sapporo adventure at Odori Park, the city's central park, which stretches over 1.5 kilometers and is lined with sculptures, fountains, and flower gardens. During the winter, Odori Park transforms into a winter wonderland for the Snow Festival, featuring massive snow and ice sculptures. Don't forget to visit the Sapporo Beer Museum, where you can learn about the history of beer in Japan and enjoy a tasting session. And if you're visiting in winter, a trip to the nearby ski resorts of Niseko or Furano is a must for some of the best powder snow in the world. 8. Otaru, the Venice of Japan. Otaru, a picturesque port town just a short train ride from Sapporo, is often referred to as the Venice of Japan due to its charming canals lined with century-old warehouses. Otaru is known for its beautifully preserved architecture, glasswork, and fresh seafood, making it a perfect day trip from Sapporo. Stroll along the Otaru Canal, especially beautiful at night when the gas lamps illuminate the water, creating a romantic atmosphere. Visit the old warehouses, which have been converted into shops, cafes, and museums, offering a glimpse into Otaru's past as a bustling trading port. If you're a fan of seafood, don't miss the opportunity to dine at one of the local sushi restaurants, where you can enjoy some of the freshest seafood in Japan. Otaru's blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a must-visit destination in Hokkaido. 7. Furano and Biei, fields of lavender and rolling hills. Continuing our journey, we arrive in Furano and Biei, two towns in central Hokkaido famous for their stunning landscapes of rolling hills and vibrant flower fields. Furano is particularly well known for its lavender fields, which bloom in full glory during the summer months, attracting visitors from all over Japan and beyond. Visit Farm Tomita in Furano, one of the most famous lavender farms in Japan, where you can wander through endless rows of lavender, sunflowers, and other seasonal flowers. The panoramic views of the flower fields set against the backdrop of the Tokachi mountain range are simply breathtaking. Biei, located just a short drive from Furano, is known for its picturesque countryside, with gently rolling hills, patchwork fields, and tree-lined roads. The scenic Panorama Road and Patchwork Road offer some of the best views, perfect for a leisurely drive or bike ride. Furano and Biei are a paradise for nature lovers and photographers, offering some of the most beautiful rural landscapes in Japan. 6. Hakodate, history and panoramic views. Next, we head to Hakodate, a city in southern Hokkaido known for its rich history, delicious seafood, and stunning views. Hakodate was one of the first ports in Japan to open to foreign trade in the 19th century, and its history as a gateway to the West is still evident in its unique blend of Japanese and Western architecture. Start your visit at the iconic Goryokaku Fort, a star-shaped fortress that played a crucial role in the late Edo period. Today, it's a beautiful park, especially stunning during the cherry blossom season. Don't miss the chance to ride the Hakodate ropeway to the top of Mount Hakodate, where you'll be rewarded with one of the best night views in Japan, overlooking the sparkling lights of the city and the surrounding seas. And of course, Hakodate's morning market is a must-visit for foodies, where you can sample some of the freshest seafood, including the city's famous squid and crab. 5. Noburabetsu Onsen, the Valley of Hell. No trip to Hokkaido would be complete without experiencing its famous hot springs, and Noburabetsu Onsen is one of the best places to do so. Known as the Valley of Hell, due to its otherworldly landscape of steaming vents, bubbling hot springs, and sulfurous odors, Noburabetsu Onsen is Hokkaido's most famous hot spring resort. Visit Jigokudani, or Hell Valley, a volcanic crater that's the main source of Noburabetsu's hot spring water. Walking through this dramatic landscape of boiling ponds and steaming fumaroles is like stepping into another world. After exploring Hell Valley, relax in one of the many onsen baths in the area, where you can soak in the healing waters while surrounded by nature. Noburabetsu Onsen offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, making it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Hokkaido. 4. The Blue Pond in Biei. One of Hokkaido's most photographed spots, the Blue Pond in Biei, is a surreal, almost magical sight. The pond gets its striking blue color from natural minerals in the water, and the bare, white trees that stand eerily in the middle of the pond add to its mysterious beauty. The Blue Pond is especially beautiful in the early morning or late afternoon when the light is soft and the reflections on the water are most vivid. In winter, the pond takes on a different kind of beauty, with the surrounding area covered in snow and the pond's blue color standing out against the white landscape. The Blue Pond is a perfect example of Hokkaido's natural beauty, offering a peaceful, almost otherworldly experience. 3. Asahiyama Zoo, up close with Arctic wildlife. Asahiyama Zoo, located in Asahikawa, is one of the most popular zoos in Japan, known for its innovative enclosures that allow visitors to get up close and personal with the animals. The zoo is particularly famous for its winter exhibits, where you can watch polar bears, penguins, and seals in their natural, snowy habitat. One of the highlights of Asahiyama Zoo is the Penguin Parade, where the penguins waddle through the snow in a charming procession, delighting visitors of all ages. The zoo also features unique viewing tunnels and domes, allowing you to see the animals from different angles, including underwater views of seals swimming and polar bears diving. Asahiyama Zoo offers a fun and educational experience, perfect for families and animal lovers. 2. Fresh seafood at Sapporo's Nijo Market. Hokkaido is famous for its fresh seafood, and there's no better place to sample it than at Sapporo's Nijo Market. This bustling market has been serving the residents of Sapporo for over a century and is a must-visit for anyone looking to indulge in Hokkaido's culinary delights. At Nijo Market, you'll find a wide variety of seafood, including Hokkaido's famous crabs, sea urchins, scallops, and salmon roe. Many of the market's vendors also offer fresh seafood bowls, known as kaizendon, where you can enjoy a heaping bowl of rice topped with your choice of fresh seafood. The market is also a great place to pick up souvenirs, such as dried seafood, sake, and other local specialties. A visit to Nijo Market is a feast for the senses, offering a true taste of Hokkaido's culinary heritage. 1. The flower fields of Furano. We conclude our journey with the stunning flower fields of Furano, a site that epitomizes the natural beauty of Hokkaido. Furano's flower fields are famous worldwide, particularly for their vibrant lavender fields that bloom in summer, creating a sea of purple against the backdrop of the Tokuchi Mountains. Farm Tomita is the most famous spot to view the lavender fields, where you can also enjoy lavender-flavored ice cream and other lavender-themed products. But it's not just lavender. Furano's fields are filled with a variety of flowers, including sunflowers, poppies, and marigolds, offering a kaleidoscope of colors from spring to autumn. The beauty of Furano's flower fields is a fitting finale to our journey through Hokkaido, leaving visitors with unforgettable memories of this stunning island. If you've enjoyed this tour of Hokkaido's hidden gems, make sure to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you on the next journey.